Hi guys, welcome back. 'Tis the season to make treats, so today I will be showing you guys how I made these brownie KitKat cupcakes. So let's get into the video. Here's an overview for you of everything I used in this recipe. As always, measurements and ingredients are down below. I'm gonna start by creaming together my room temp butter with my sugar. Now my butter wasn't as room temp as it could have been, but it worked anyhow. You do want to make sure that it's room temperature though, because it will blend a little bit more easier. After mixing the butter, I'm going to be adding the brown sugar, and you do want to combine them together. And you also do want to scrape the sides down to make sure that you're combining everything together. Now I'm going to be adding in my Greek yogurt. I filmed this video a while ago, so don't really remember, but you can use sour cream instead, but I didn't have any, so I just used Greek yogurt. Now you just want to combine that with your butter and sugar, and you want to make sure that you're scraping down the sides as well. If you like treats and desserts, hit that subscribe button because I got you with the treats. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. Now I will be adding in my eggs one at a time. You want to make sure that the egg is incorporated into your mixture before you add the rest of the eggs. Now I'm going to be mixing in my vanilla extract and making sure that's well incorporated. Now that the wet ingredients are incorporated, I'm going to sift the dry ingredients into the wet. For my dry ingredients, I used cake flour, but you can definitely use all-purpose flour. Once everything is incorporated, you want to go ahead and mix it, but you don't want to over mix it. Your batter will be on the thicker side. If you want to thin it out a bit, you can add some oil or some milk. Once everything is all mixed together, I'll be adding in my melted chocolate. That will definitely make the batter a little bit more thicker. So you do want to try and fold that in as best as you could. Once the chocolate is folded in, now you want to fold in the KitKat chunks. So I just got some KitKats and just diced them a little bit to make the chunks, nothing too crazy. Once you're done with the batter, you're just gonna line your muffin tray and then add your batter. So for my batter, I scooped it out with a small cookie scooper, and I probably did about 2 scoops for each, maybe 2.5. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna put them in the oven to bake. Now we're gonna work on the cream cheese frosting. So I just added my butter into my stand mixer, and then I'll be adding my cream cheese. You do wanna make sure that these are softened. Then I'm just gonna mix them together. You can do this with a hand mixer if you want, but I was being a little lazy, so I used my stand mixer. Once that's pretty much incorporated, I will just be adding in my powdered sugar a little bit at a time, about a half a cup at a time. You do want to make sure that you're scraping down the sides of the bowl so that everything is combined and there's no chunks. Once your cream cheese frosting is done, it'll be nice and thick and fluffy like this. And then once your cupcakes are done, they should look something like this. Now I did lose the footage of me icing the cupcakes, so I did end up adding some Greek yogurt into my cream cheese frosting to thin it out a bit, so I made more of a glaze. So what I did was just put the glaze on there and then sprinkled some more of the chopped KitKat pieces, and there you have it, all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely share. I'm trying to reach 300 subscribers before the end of the year, so share if you can. If you don't, it's fine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.